Wealthies, welcome back. I wanted to hop on and tell you guys about the new changes to the WealthMore app experience on desktop. We heard you, and we wanted to make it easier for you to meet your goals. When you log in, you will see this new tile here telling you the important thing that you should focus on to hit your goal. This could be setting your annual goal, updating your wealth plan, or joining a monthly challenge that will help you hit that goal. We also added this easy tour so that you know the things on our dashboard that you can focus on. So be it scheduling a one-on-one with your advisor, setting up your annual goal, checking in on your portfolio, updating your wealth plan tool. We want to make this as easy as possible for you to build more wealth, get the content, stay connected to the communities to help you do better. We've also added additional help features throughout our experience to keep you on track. You can always go to the compass icon in the nav or go to the help icon there to get more information. The key is to work with your wealth advisor and to keep investing in your portfolios so that you can build wealth and do better. Community free, you'll see updates as well that remind you how community free works and also how to upgrade to our paid plans. Go to wealthmore.net. If you already have an account, check out the new features on desktop. We will be bringing these changes to the mobile app as well. Thank you. Share it with someone else who needs to start building wealth. This is the key to doing better.